Hello everyone, my name is Neha, and in this lecture I'm going to show you how to create a basic math function on Labview. As you can see on the screen, I have block diagram screen and the front panel screen. So these both are the screen of the Labview. And in case when you open up a project and only front panel appears, and if you don't see the block diagram screen, then what you can do, you can go to the window on the front panel, and once you go there, you will see the first drop down menu. What it says is the show block diagram, and as you click on this, your block diagram screen will come out. And you can also use this Control plus E, and by doing that also you will have the block diagram screen visible on the computer. Now we're going to see where are these mathematical functions are. So to do that, you need to do a right click on the block diagram. So once you do that, you will see this mathematics operation, and then under that you see we have so many all these elements: numeric, elementary, linear algebra, fitting, and then so many more. So we're going to go to the numeric and see what's there inside this. And as you can see, it has so many numeric functions. We can use add, subtraction, multiply, divide, quotient and remainder, conversion, increment, decrement, array elements, and so on. So we know so far a little bit about how to use this function because we completed one exercise in the class. Now in this lecture I'm going to show you how you can add two numbers using the knob input. So let's begin with creating a symbol of a knob. To do that, I'll click on the front panel, and then I'll right click on the front panel and then go to the Express, and then since I'm looking for a knob which can move from a certain position to some end position. So let's see what we have here. So we have these numeric controls you can see here. So I'm gonna go here and I'll be clicking on the knob because that's what I want, and we're supposed to add two numbers. So I'm gonna use two knobs. So this is for one number, and to create another one, I'll just Control C on this knob and then Control V. So you can see I have another knob here, and you can see on the block diagram also there's this knob appeared. So I'm going to put it here, and I don't want to keep this knob name, so I'll just maybe use something else. So let's say input 1, and this as input 2. So you have to click like this, and then you can move it anywhere on the front panel screen. And then I'm going to move this one also somewhere here. Now the next thing which I'm going to do is to put the result. So for that I'll go to the numerical value result. So in this one I'm going to use this one, numeric indicator. So this is going to indicate the result. Now we have two knobs, but we don't have any mathematic function here. So to add the mathematic function, I'll click on the block diagram screen and go to this mathematic function, and I know that I'm going to add the numbers, so I'll be using this this particular block. And then the next thing which I'm going to do is to connect them. So I connected this and then connected that one to the addition gate and then to the numeric indicator. So this is my block diagram, and let's see what happens on the front panel when we run this program. So let's run this, and you run this by using this by clicking on this run continuously tab. So if I click here, then I can add the numbers. So this is, let's say this is at 2 point something, and then this is 2 point something. So you can see this is 4.71144. And then let's say if it is 6, so you can see that 6 plus 2 is 8, and since this is a knob, we won't be able to get exact number. If you want to do that, if you want to put an exact number, then you might need to use another numeric indicator over here, where you can feed in the input value, and then exact output you will get here. Through these continuous knobs, it's difficult to basically detect what number you are giving, but then you can still see like approximately what number should come out. So if you add 4 plus 6, you know that it's 10, so around like 10.1448. so that means this one, it might be a little bit, or that might be a little bit beyond 4 or beyond 6. Okay, so this is how you add two numbers, and this is the end of the lecture. Thank you so much for watching.